welcome guys, welcome to my channel again. My name is Christopher Corinthian. I'm going to unbox two pairs of shoes today, both from Puma. Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys see this one. Alright, this is Velocity Nitro 2, and we got another one, this one. Alright, Suede Diamond. Alright, I love Puma Suede all the time. It's my favorite of all time from Puma. Alright, so I'm gonna be letting you guys see what is it. Alright, let's go guys. Alright, so basically I got this one. Let me unbox. This is Velocity Nitro 2. Alright, oh, I got this baby guys. What? My dream shoes of all time. This one. Look at it guys. Oh my god, look at it. Oh, look at the bottom. Puma grip right here. Puma grip. Oh my god guys, this is my dream shoes guys. I always drop by Puma shop and look at this shoe, and it's like my dream shoe guys. Literally I like green so much. Look at here guys. This one, it's kind of crazy, right? Oh my god, I can't wait to put on this one on my feet. Right, let's go. So now we look at this one, right? It's for running. If you guys like to run, make sure to use you guys can consider this. Alright, this one now. Alright, I got this one. Let me unbox. Alright, this Puma. Okay, just like this. Alright, we got this. Oh my god guys, Suede Diamond guys, Puma Suede guys. Look at this guys. What? It's like purple color. We got the shoelace right here, the black color one. So this pair, this is the this one is the demo shoe. This one it's kind of like the color is a little faded, right? But it doesn't matter. The quality is the point. Look at this diamond, Suede diamond. I thought it was Superman, but it's not. This diamond, it's kind of good guys. Look at here, this design is like this, but the other one is different. It's like this one. It's different, right? Alright, it's kind of cool guys. Like this is for b-boy guys, because I like to dance and I like to b-boy. That's why I need this. Like this pair is really guys, for those who wants to dance or do some crazy adventure thing, you guys should get a Suede guys, Puma Suede. This kind of style is called Suede, Puma Suede. Right, make sure to get it guys. Alright guys, so this is it guys. This is the Velocity Nitro 2 guys. Oh my god guys, I can't wait to do workout with these shoes and shoot some videos using these shoes guys. This is amazing guys. Look at the bottom. Oh my god, it's gonna be the best guys. This is quality shoes guys. If you guys want to run, make sure to consider these shoes. Alright, guys, so this is how it looks like this. Alright, it's pretty cool though. I like the quality, you know, I like the quality. That's why I always prefer Suede. Alright, this is the quality for b-boy guys, because I love b-boy. I'm gonna use this for b-boy guys. Right, it looks cool, right? So we got two shoes right here. We got two pairs of shoes right here. So this is Velocity Nitro 2 for running purpose, and this is Puma Suede Diamond. Alright, so make sure to tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite one. Will you buy either any one of these shoes or two shoes, and what's the reason? Alright, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, your boy Christopher Corinthian. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye. Whoa. Woo.